You know, most organizations do not realize how reviewing, the review process or lack thereof, is actually hurting their team's writing, right? The assumption is, oh, the reviewers know what they're doing, let's let them review and provide feedback, and that's going to improve the quality of the documents. I can promise you it's probably not. And here's why. Here are three reasons why your reviewing isn't improving document quality. A, your professionals don't like to write. And when they don't like to write, they procrastinate. And then they get this feedback, and guess what they're going to do with that feedback? They're just going to incorporate it. Why? Because they don't like to write, so they don't care about the feedback. They never bother to assess it. They're not going to improve from it, and that's one of the problems. Number two, your reviewers aren't reviewing for content, for things that really matter. They're not, their comments are not adding any value. In the 35 plus years that I've been doing this, when I've been working with teams on their reviewing process, I have never seen reviewers provide feedback that writers could actually take. Lots of times it's based on pet peeves. Oh, I don't like it when you use the word that, or I don't like the word and, or whatever the case may be. I've actually worked with people who refuse to let their team use the word that. It's a problem, right? So your reviewers aren't trained. There's an assumption that your reviewers know what they're doing because they've been in the business for however many years or whatever the case may be, but they haven't been trained to review. They're reviewing as their teachers did in high school, right? So these comments, these negative comments, nothing that really adds any value. The third reason is that you probably have no process for reviewing. Right? So it's just like, hey, here you go, have at it. We worked with one multi-million-dollar organization that had no process for reviewing. Writers didn't even know if they were going to get feedback. And if they were going to get feedback, they didn't know when. And so it was this constant guessing game about, well, when am I going to get comments back? Am I going to get comments back? So the problem is it's this mire, this quagmire of inefficiency. So if you want to reap the benefits of good reviewing, your folks have to know how to review. There is a process for that, believe it or not. They have to be trained on how to give comments that are actionable and that are concise and precise and don't focus on pet peeves. We can help you with that. Right? My name is Pam at HurleyWrite.com. That's not my name. My name is Pam Hurley, but my email is Pam at HurleyWrite.com. We offer a communication diagnostic. The communication diagnostic will come into your organization. We'll look at your reviewing process. We'll look at your documents. We'll look at your tools. We'll look at your templates, and we will tell you what's broken in your particular system. Whether it's the reviewers, do they need help? Whether it's the templates, are they broken? Or whether it's your writers. So give us a call, 877-249-7483, or hit me up, Pam at HurleyWrite.com. Look forward to chatting with you.